Yo guys, today I'm going to show you how to share files with your PC and your Android devices wirelessly without the use of a USB cord. So without much delay, just like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video if you like it. So first thing we're gonna use for this process to work, we need the Android app, the Xender app on your Android devices. I don't know if this is also applicable to the Windows phone or the iPhone, but I'm going to run this on my Android devices, currently running on Android 9 here. So I hope you follow through this tutorial. So you're gonna need an internet browser on your laptop or your desktop. Then you're gonna use the Xender app on your phone. So we need those three things to connect together. So first of all, on my phone, like you can see on the screen right now, you need to head to your Xender application. Then you find the connect to PC. Okay, you can see it right here, connect to PC. So when you click on it, it will prompt if you want to use the web connect or the hotspot. I recommend the hotspot. So you click on the hotspot, then create hotspot, click on it. Ask you to set up your GPRS, that is your location. You could swipe down and turn it on here, or you could just set it up through here, still the same thing. Okay, so that's done and it's setting up. Now we have our hotspot turned on with a different name and a password. Then there is also a prompt here that we should open our web browser on the PC, then enter these following IP addresses. So first of all, what we're gonna do is connect to this hotspot created through the Xender app. So right here on the PC, you can see I'm going to turn on my network, my Wi-Fi, and search for the hotspot. You can see the name of the hotspot is Android Share 9961. It's there right now. So we click on it, it's gonna ask for the password, and you can see the password is D5. So follow through on this. So D accept. You can see it's optimizing. Yeah, you can see it's not connected. So what we're gonna do now, we turn on our web browser. We'll turn on this is the Internet Explorer on the Windows 10, Microsoft Edge browser now, not Explorer. They changed the name and brought some new UI. So you can see right now I'm connected to the Xender, the Android Share. You can see right now I'm connected there, but no internet connection. Otherwise, this home page would have loaded. You see, there's no internet right now. So on the Android device, you can see I should open this. I should enter this Android these IP addresses. So I will just click on my URL bar here and type. So I'm thinking we are good to go. So I click on enter. You can see now on my phone I have a prompt that 192.168.42.212 wants to connect. So I accept it. Now we are connected. Now you're connected, you could share the device, you could share your files through the connection now wirelessly, no USB cord or anything. We're connected through the Xender wirelessly. So if you want to take something from your PC to phone, you just have to, let me see, open your file explorer. Okay, like this, open your file explorer. Let me see, a file. What file will I use? Say I have a lot of files. I just say if I want to share a video, let me say Totem Ajax, I want to share this video right now. What I do is I drag and drop this video Yeah, so right now I'm sending this video from my PC to my phone. You can see uploading. That's what it does now. I'm sending it from my PC to my phone, and on my phone you can see here it's sent already 40 megabytes of data. Then if I want to take any file from my phone itself, these are the files. I can just surf through them on my PC. Then if I see anyone I want to take, you just have to like click on it, or let me say click on this. This is the Boruto manga. Click on it, then you download it. So downloading it, now you're putting it into your phone, downloading it into your phone, and it will show in your web browser. Yeah, you have to save it, and it will show in your web browser. So in any web browser you could use this procedures. It's the same thing. You just have to put in the IP address requested in the Zender application, then you connect, accept the permission, and that's it. If you want to send from your PC to your phone, you drag and paste the file on the web browser. You drag from your file explorer, and you could even drag a folder. I'm sure you could drag a folder, or you drag the file itself to your web browser, then it uploads himself to the phone, your Android phone. Then if you want to take from your Android phone, you could surf it through your web browser, surf it through there, then you click on it. You could click also on multiple too. When you click on them, click on the download button, and you will download straight to your phone, and you can see the process, the progress here. Currently now you can see the Naruto manga that I have already downloaded. Yeah, so that's it. So you don't need to do much of work here. It's very simple as it went here. So I hope you understand. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks for everything. Once again, hit the subscribe button, like, comment. Mostly your comment, it means a lot. So